Hey, what's going on everyone? There was a time when phones are really fun looking. For example, Nokia had some of the weirdest phone of all time. But after the arrival of touchscreen phones, slowly the creativity of the smartphones have started to fade away. Eventually, we reach at a time where most of the smartphones begin to look alike. Same looking phone with same form factor. Giant tech companies like Apple has not changed their basic iPhone design for 4 years now. But companies like Samsung, Huawei, Xiaomi and other Chinese smartphone brands don't hold themselves from exploring new designs as well as new technologies. They have always been innovating new things to please their consumers. These companies are shifting their focus in making foldable phones, which is going to be the next big thing. After the success of Galaxy Fold series including Z Fold and Z Flip, Samsung is trying their hand in new technologies. They have filed a patent for rollable displays for their upcoming phones of this series, which is going to be called the Samsung Galaxy Z Slide. So in this video we are going to discuss all the details we know so far about Samsung Galaxy Z Slide. For your better understanding, we would recommend you to watch this video till the end. My name is Sovik and welcome to Phone Politics. Let's get started. Before we jump right into the video, we would like to tell you something important. Almost 99% of you watching our videos have not subscribed to our channel. Please be sure to hit the subscribe button along with the bell icon to stay connected with us. Also, please hit the like button if you find this video informative. A like will encourage us to make more exciting videos for you. Samsung is a leading smartphone OEM that is already pretty open about the fact that it feels the market is ready for the leap from traditional candy bars to truly flexible display devices. These hints are bolstered by the fact Samsung has trademarked the term Galaxy Z Slide already, which would go well with the phone capable of the action implied by the possible product name. Now the OEM might have revealed the device that might make it reality in the near future. It comes in the form of a patent recently approved by Germany's National Patent Office. It describes a device with more or less normal smartphone dimensions and it extends into comfortable phablet territory. The possible future G Slide also have a rear panel partially covered with a secondary display, much like that of Z Flip 3, and present for similar reasons. In its current schematic form, it also has a top-mounted power button, a USB Type-C port and some mic holes, what might be front and bottom-firing stereo speakers, and that's it. The blog Let's Go Digital has taken these new diagrams and run with them in the form of new high-quality renders by the creator Technizo Concept. They envision the G Slide as a device with Galaxy Z Fold 3's rear cameras and a premium finish to match its cutting-edge display type. Some images also hint at the S Pen compatibility in the hypothetical rollable phablet, although it, like its possible foldable counterpart, lacks a silo for the accessory. It seems like the G Slide also had Samsung's freshly launched take on the under-display camera and might come with a curved display at its flexible and non-flexible ends. Given that the patent has been published on July 29, 2021, Let's Go Digital projects that such a Galaxy Z Slide might see launch as early as 2022. Then again, this remains mostly speculative at this point, especially as Samsung is expected to launch a conventional S22 series at the start of the same year. So you should take all the information with a pinch of salt. We already have made a video on Samsung Galaxy S22. We will put the link in the end of this video, you can watch it from there. So that is all for today's video. Please let me know your thoughts about Samsung Galaxy Z Slide in the comment section below. If you really find this video informative, then please hit the like button. A like will encourage us to make more informative videos for you. To support us, please hit the subscribe button and press the bell icon. Our social media links are in the description, you can follow us from there. See you guys in the next video. Bye.